हमें मिल गया है घर, भैंस दिख रही हैं, गोबर दिख रहा है। इसकी आंखें कम खुलती है ना तो इसे दिख नहीं पाता। बी केयरफुल, दिस इज द प्लेस। हम गार्लिक ब्रेड रख के भूल गए। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल।
Hello, gonna eat pavlova also. We already ate some protein pudding and then carrot, and then this is dessert.
लाना ने 2 दिन के लिए एयरबीएनबी बुक किया है क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस, व्हिच इज आई लाइक हर एफर्ट्स।
He.
अच्छी लड़की है लाना। लाना के लिए ताली बजा दो। और यहाँ से हमारे घर से वहाँ तक पहुँचने में 1 घंटा 25 मिनट लग रहे। और हम सुबह उठे भी लेट हैं। हमारा टाइमिंग स्टार्ट हो गया था 11 बजे, पर 1:30 बज गया अभी, तो हम 2:30-3 बजे तक वहाँ पहुँचेंगे। और लेट्स सी कैसा क्रिसमस जाएगा। हमने तो मनाया नहीं कभी।
We have 4 days day off.
4 दिन की छुट्टियाँ हैं, क्योंकि जीने के हैं 4 दिन सारे हैं बेकार दिन। पर ये 4 दिन बेकार नहीं होने देंगे हम।
My company asked me to work on Saturday, but I'm not gonna go. I don't need weekend money.
लाना ने वीकेंड मनी ठुकरा दिया है।
You know, like if I go work, I can earn like more than 300, but I spend time with you.
यार मेरी वैल्यू देखी तुमने? मम्मी पापा, मेरी वैल्यू देखी आपने? $300 का हूँ मैं।
We brought a lot of things. We just only be there for only like
One night.
like 24 hours only. But we pack everything. I don't know. We are moving there or just stay only one day.
Barbecue need lot of thing, then Lana need lot of thing, then her skincare need lot of thing, her next day routine need lot of things.
And then we're gonna drink also.
दारू पी के पीटेगी मैंने। GPS ऑन कर लिए दोस्तों मैंने, और अपनी फैमिली को भेज दी लोकेशन। कहीं रातों रात मेरे पुर्जे इधर उधर ये ट्रांसप्लांट कर दे निकाल के कहीं और।
No. I know what he's talking about. Your brother asked me to like put GPS because your body go somewhere like that, right? I'm not. I'm Korean. I'm not the other country's people. I'm not. I'm a kind person. Don't worry. My money is not from the other's body. My money is from I did hard work and then I got money and then spent it. I'm not gonna sell any part of body from the others.
I hope so. This is how Lana's eat, guys. चीर फाड़ मर्डर कर देती है। जब इसकी और मेरी शक्ल एक साथ में आती है तो कितना भोली शक्ल का लगता हूँ मैं, पर इसे नहीं लगता। पता नहीं क्या, इसकी आंखें कम खुलती है ना तो इसे दिख नहीं पाता।
For me,
यहीं बच जाता हूँ मैं।
for me, he's better than Shahrukh Khan. I want to try winery tour also
We can have one winery tour
because you know like
sponsored by you. 3 minutes दोस्तों, 3 मिनट के अंदर हम पहुंच जाएंगे। एंड यू कैन चेक द व्यू, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, माउंटेन्स, पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं, भैंस दिख रही हैं, गोबर दिख रहा है। रोड तो दिख ही नहीं रही है। शो द फ्रंट, रोड नहीं दिख रही है। लो भाई, एंट्री हो गई है दोस्तों भूत विला में।
he came
ये
back. Then you
guys what?
know this sunglasses is mine also.
Show the dog is doing pee.
That is The dog is not mine.
Dog is her as well.
No, I don't want. Douglas is mine. What is mine? Ha ha ha.
हमें मिल गया है घर. हम दूसरे घर में घुस गए थे जो ओनर का घर था. उसके चारों तरफ घूम फिर के टाइम लगा दिया हमने क्योंकि हमें लगा वही घर है पर हमें ये छोटा सा गेट दिखाई नहीं. लाना, डिड यू फाइंड दैट गेट नाउ?
Yeah.
लाना कितनी छोटी सी है. एंड दिस इज द प्लेस. दिस इज अवर एंट्री. Oh my god, yay! Come!
Oh. We book here,
This is.
but there is a Jew.
It's better than Jew.
It's better than Jew,
कितनी
But-
पास है यारी?
but it's expensive than Jew.
It's expensive than Jew as well.
Yeah. Oh my God, alpaca. How?
What is their name?
Alpaca.
Alpaca. We have bird house. We have fire something. We can fire there. Alpaca is there. 3 alpaca. Look, the beautiful girl.
알파카가 있다.
How she looks. She is look beautiful and happy. Very happy. This is the place.
There is barbecue.
There is barbecue.
No, I think this is for
Nothing.
nothing.
This is their food.
Where is the campfire?
They put their food here, so they stay here.
Ah, that's
so
why.
people will love it
That's
and
why.
give good reviews. Pretty good. This is the view. We are in the forest, so if Lana beats me in the night, no one will know.
Yeah. I'm
दारू मैं बताया ना तुम्हें. She will drink
Because
alcohol and she gonna beat me.
He said he's like soldier stuff, but you know, I'm stronger than him.
It's open.
Open. We need to take off our shoes.
It's clean.
Oh, it's. I think we need to take off our shoes also.
You can take off, and I can take off.
You
See,
can
look
take
at
off.
her face. She got just angry for 1 second.
Oh,
1 second में इतनी.
they gave us Christmas gifts. Lana.
And guest. Just a guest. I am just a guest. Lana and guest.
Oh, I didn't put your name.
We have microwave, basket, bed. There's a view यहाँ सामने से. This is the view. This is the beauty in the view.
Hi.
There's a view from that side. एक picture, एक पंखा घुमाने वाली. Ha 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 ha.
Ha ha ha.
We have stove. कुछ प्रेस दे रखी है, डियो दे रखा है, नमक और 2-4 चीजें. टोस्टर दे रखा है और कुछ नैपकिन्स, ग्लव्स.
Then there's another place to go also.
There is a place, maybe ये टॉयलेट बाथरूम है and you can go up there. Please keep door shut.
Oh, it's really clean also. I like this design. Wood
Wooden
and
design.
white.
She like wooden design, wooden and white.
Yeah, wooden and white. Oh,
That's for shower.
yeah, it's for shower.
This is our shower accessories, toilet paper, cleaner, and everything.
Yeah, it's good.
Hot water geyser. This is your guy, Abhinav Malik, Epic Abhinav. Follow it, share it, subscribe it.
I like it. I mean, like interior design.
Interior design. Do we need to like straight away go from here? Climb this?
Yeah, I think so.
Maybe it's-
it's already like. Yeah.
बी केयरफुल. क्या होगा इस लड़की का? ये तो गई.
Oh, it looks good.
Climb up.
Huh?
Can you climb up?
Of course, I can. We can have like
Movie night.
movie night here, but there is no
अब मेरी बारी.
TV here. But
There is a TV here. I don't know why.
I don't want to watch like this.
Yay.
But if we drink,
We're gonna drink down there, not here. You are scared of just fall down?
yeah,
लाना गिरने से डरती है भाई.
I'm
Scared of falling down.
scared of height also.
Let's go out, take our stuff, and put AC on so this room will get cold.
But it's not that hot here also.
It's hot. This is how you get up.
Ah, I see. I really like that table also.
Just take it with us. Put it in the car.
No.
That's our car, if you can see. इतनी दूर खड़ी है. वहाँ से मेरे को सारा सामान लाना पड़ेगा. बार तक करना तो पड़ेगा. कल सुबह तक यहीं रहना है. Can you find the AC?
I see.
AC what? Did you find? Oh, it's there. I was searching for here.
Of course, I'm clever. You're a little bit.
आँखों से डराना पड़ेगा इसे. सामान लेके आता हूँ दोस्तों में.
Let's go.